So what's going on, people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the today's video. That will be a use of chown. So chown is basically used to change the ownership of a particular file or a directory. Okay, let's jump into the command. Okay, so own is like change ownership, like that. Okay. Okay, let's do ls-l. See, you can see that this is the users, and this will be the what ownership permission, like that, something like that. Let's change this particular what file permission, chown, and let's say you need to change the user what permission of a user, like gst lite, and file name, that will be number. If I do, okay, you need to use sudo command. If I do sudo command, if I do ls-l, you can see the username, owner, I mean change owner name has been changed to the light. Okay, let's say you need to change the group permission. For that you need to use um, anything like hyphen and staff. If you do staff, if I do ls, so the group permission will be changed. So this will be the user and this will be the group. So I showed you how to change the ownership. Now I showed you how do you change the group. So if you need to change the both, if you like how do you do if you need to change the both user and the group, chmod, and user will be light and the group will be staff. uh, staff and you need to specify the file name. Okay, if I press enter, okay. So this is how you can change it. Just a minute. Users. Okay, I guess that was totally wrong. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm really sorry. Okay, let's jump into the next one. Let's say you need to change the permission of what a directory. So there is a permission of a user, and there is a group. Okay, user ownership will be the parrot user, and the what ownership, sorry, this will be the user and this will be the group, right? So the user name is parrot and group name is also parrot. Let's say you need to change the permission of that particular file, so use -r is basically nothing but recursive. So let's say username will be light, and then okay, say users, and you need to specify directory name. Okay, operation not permissioned, sudo use sudo permission. Then if I do ls-l, you can see the what the user permission is been shifted, the ownership of the user is been shifted to light, and the group ownership is been shifted to users. So that is how you use our argument. Okay, let's say you need to copy the ownership permission to another file. Let's say you need to copy chmod reference 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 is equal to number, sorry, is equal to number, and you are giving that reference. You are saying that change the user ownership to light and change the group ownership to staff for this particular file. If I press enter, if I press ls-l, you can see you can see that okay, you need to use it with sudo, I guess. Sudo, yeah. If I do ls-l, you can see the user user permission should be changed, I guess. It's the same thing. It's not change mod, it's change own. Sorry for that. It's sudo change ownership, not chmod. It is not chmod, I guess. In the last time also I used change mod, I guess. so it was not changing. Yeah, sorry, really sorry for that. You need to use chown, not what mod, that is change mod, and chown is change ownership. Okay, I got really confused. Reference reference is equal to number, that will be number file. Then I need to specify the file name. If I do ls-l, you can see that ownership of the user has been changed to light, and the ownership of the group is changed to staff. That is how you use what reference argument. Okay, now let's say you need to copy the you need to preserve the timestamp of a particular file. Then you need to use chown, not chmod. Then you need to use -c, that will preserve the timestamp of a particular file which you are changing the permission. Okay, let's say you can also use v, that is actually called a verbose, that will print what exactly you are doing. If you are changing file, it will print you are changing this file to this. That is why we use a verbose. If you don't know how to use chown, you can just use help, or else if you need a deep understanding of how to use chown, you can use man command. So you can see the manual page. There is many arguments that you can use. Let me come back. Version, you can see the version, that is 8.32, and you can see the person who has written this particular code, this particular command code. There is 2%. Okay, so that is all up, guys, and I'm sorry for the mistake which I showed you before. I was using chmod. That is not chmod. This video is about chown, that is ch owner, change owner. Okay, so thank you for watching, and bye.